For what we've been talking about, what can I do with this picture to turn into an algebraic expression? How do I take that and make it something I can solve? Shoot.
3x plus x plus 2 equals 5x minus 1.
Okay, and I'm going to use the parentheses there to kind of emphasize that I'm working on part plus part equals the whole thing. Kind of put all that into context. Now, one of the reasons I emphasize that summer packet a lot is many of the problems look like this. They're multi-step problems with the variable on both sides of the equal sign, and that's something that you have to be able to handle. Now, when I clean this side of the equation up, I get 4x plus 2 is equal to 5x minus 1. I'm going to go ahead and shoot for positive values. So I'll subtract 4x from both sides. You could also subtract 5x. And then with that, the end result of that is that you just end up with a negative on the x that you can have to divide off later. And then let's see, this cancels. This leaves me a 2. This is going to give me a positive x minus 1. Add the 1 to both sides. I get x is equal to 3. Now, if I were to give a proper quiz on what we're covering in Chapter 1, and I were to put this exact problem on that proper quiz, I'm willing to bet right now that 10 of us, well, there's a lot of us in here, 12 of us, would stop. What's wrong with stopping? That is a small etiquette issue, but that's still not the big problem.
You have to put what BC equals.
Right. The question was, what's BC? Which is x plus 2. So I have to plug that back in. That's the actual answer I want. 5. Not 3. 3 is an interim step along the way. If you got a 3, you've done it 3/4 right. Now, I'll ask you this. There are 5 lug nuts hold your tires on. Do you want to drive off the dealership with only 4 of them in place? Well, so now if you wouldn't accept the guy who fixes your car to do 4/5 of the job, should you do only 4/5 of the job? But that's different. What's up?
I forgot. Where's the 5? Where's the 5 from?
The 5 comes from the 3 plus 2. Oh wait, that 5?
Yeah, it's like the beginning of the equation. Like, right when you, yeah, right
That 5?
A to C.
That 5 is this one right here.
Oh.
I'm saying that the AB, let's go back and highlight what we're talking about. This segment right here, which is 3x, is there. I'm going to add to that this segment, which is the x plus 2. That's right here. And that whole thing is going to give me the whole segment, the whole thing, 5x minus 1. And then it's just algebra after that.
But how do you get the 4x plus 2?
Yeah, the 4x plus 2?
Yeah.
Oh, once I go ahead and start doing the algebra, 3x plus 1x is 4x.
Oh, okay.
Okay?